Okay, this one's about this light. Comes from Loftek. You can see their website. There's the specs on it. 2800 lumens and 30 watt. Now some of the Chinese stuff, they give equivalent watts. This one I don't think does. Now if the lumens are accurate on this thing, this is actually in excess of 150 watt incandescent, which would sound about right if it's 5-to-1 over the incandescent light. So we'll see how this one performs. This is the light. It's kind of a goofy looking thing. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a comparison for light output for this thing. And I'm not going to use any meters. This is all going to be just how it looks. So I'm also going to do an amp draw. I'm going to start out with a 120 watt incandescent light, and we'll kind of look at how this light compares with the LED. Of course, this camera is set on manual, so it doesn't adjust for the light. But let's see how much light this appears to put out compared to the LED. This one should actually put out a little less light because that's 2800 lumens and this is probably 2600 lumens. So let's go ahead and check the amp draw. Well, you can see that it's right at 1 amp. That comes out to the 120 watts. Now let's see what the LED looks like. Here's the amp draw of the LED. Now you can see it's about 0.24 amps. Now let's look at the light output. Okay, the light output on this thing looks like it's a little more. It is a whiter light, but it looks like it's a little bit more. Now if we compare that 0.24 amps to the 1 amp you're getting out of that 120 watts incandescent light, this is actually quite a lot more economical to operate, and the light, I don't know, it seems to be more intense. So I think you're getting pretty good output from this light. That's a pretty impressive light. Again, I've got the exposure set on manual, so it's pretty low. Yeah, I like this light. I think it's a really good product, and drawing 0.23 amps, pretty good. Can't do anything on longevity because I don't know anything about that, but neat light. Maybe a little tough to fit some places because it's so wide, but other than that, it's really good light. And it produces 150 watts of light compared to incandescent for 30 watts of power usage. That's pretty good. That's it on that one.